wood-fired pizza oven. Sliced onion, sliced tomatoes, marinated roasted peppers, grilled chicken, yeah, asparagus, steamed halfway, oh yeah, French style. When prepping asparagus for Italian pizza, it's a good idea to split it lengthwise like this. Just give them a quick cut. That right there, that's what chef's looking for. With sharp knives and the butcher block and proficiency, this should only take you 2 minutes. Split all these asparagus. Japanese knife, wipe it off when you're done. Fresh herbs, whenever available, utilize basil or oregano. Fresh chopped oregano. Real quickly on the herbs, remove the stems, keep all the leaves. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh garlic. Pizza dough. Recipe is at the sponsor right there. Score the pizza dough recipe for free. Just search it. Goes right on the floured surface like this. Get it all out. As well as a little bit of EVO on the top. The first pizza. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah, how's that look? Drop a comment, and as usual, like, share, subscribe. Helps other people find the channel. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. handmade Japanese knives. Butcher blocks made in America, free shipping. Check out your sponsor. They got all the best deals. Oh, some of you might be wondering what the bottom looks like. Feel the need to show you. Let me get the camera down here. Yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. Excellence in every bite. Burning calories, getting hungry. Oh. Oh. Yes. Pepper. 4. This one is brass. This was featured in one of the big magazines. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best pepper mill you can buy because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain, love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Now you're wondering, just how good is this chicken, right? I don't always marinate my grilled chicken, but when I do, it comes out perfectly. Good idea to salt it after you grill it. There's many reasons why. And let's put a little more of this fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah. So now, you're interested, you better subscribe right here and search chicken on this channel. Afford one of these, handmade by a Japanese master, go for it. I don't know, I would just guess this is between $300 and $500. You might need to actually go to Japan to get the knife made to your specs like it was made for me. That's the ultimate. This one, this Kasumi, also the blade length is important. This is about an 8, maybe 8 and a little bit more inch, around an 8-inch chef. Love it. I want to say it's about $100. This one's a little less. It's a 7-inch blade, but you get less. It weighs less. I like this. So anyway, let's do another test. Here we go. Real quick mention here. The other part of the knife is the cutting board or cutting surface. You see I'm doing a rocking motion here? Cutting some imaginary herbs. Beautiful. Same thing with the next one. The angle's not as good, but it's working. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Yeah, I like it. Wrap it tight, get the air out, shelf life 3 days. The blocks. Get the best block the first time. Visit your sponsor. By the way, I'm cutting tomatoes, so I never use a butter knife. There are people that have knives this dull. They're trying to cut their tomatoes with these butter knives. What the heck are they doing? This is for spreading butter or cutting cheese. It's a little chef. He's cute. From France. Chef cooked in France with Chef Bocuse. Bocuse is renowned around the world So you'll pick up some master chef tips on this channel, Chef Bocuse. Yeah, amazing guy. Subscribe right here. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.